Reflection video on success and failure. Success and failure are intertwined experiences that shape our journey in life. Success often brings joy and sense of accomplishment, but it also carries lessons about persistence and the rewards of hard work. Failure, on the other hand, can be painful and discouraging, yet it offers profound opportunities for growth. Each failure teaches us resilience, highlights areas for improvement, and builds character. It reminds us that the road to success is rarely linear but rather a series of trials and eventual triumphs. Success, when achieved, becomes even more meaningful because of the failures that preceded it. Ultimately, success and failure are not opposites but partners in learning growth. Embracing both with humility and gratitude allows us to progress and become our best selves.